Welcome back to our TikTok tutorial series. In this episode, we'll learn how to block and unblock someone on TikTok. Blocking and unblocking can be useful for maintaining your privacy and controlling your TikTok experience. So let's dive right in. Before we begin, please make sure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. This ensures you have all the latest features and improvements. Alright, let's get started with blocking someone on TikTok. Open your TikTok app and navigate to the profile of the person you want to block. You can do this by searching for their username or finding them in your follower or following list, or you can find them on your For You page. Once you're on their profile, look for the arrow button in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to reveal a pop-up menu. In the pop-up menu, you'll see various options. Look for the Block button and tap on it. This will initiate the blocking process. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to block this user. Take a moment to review your decision, and if you're certain, tap on the Block button once again. Congratulations! You have successfully blocked the user on TikTok. They won't be able to see your content, comment on your videos, or interact with you on the platform. Remember, blocking is reversible, and you can unblock them at any time. Great job on learning how to block someone on TikTok. Now, let's move on to the second part of this tutorial, where we'll explore how to unblock someone. First, go to your own profile. You can do this by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, look for the three lines icon in the top right or left corner of the screen. This icon represents the TikTok menu. Tap on it to access your profile settings. In the menu, you'll find different sections. Look for the Settings and Privacy option and tap on it. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy menu. Scroll down through the settings until you find the Privacy section. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Blocked Accounts. Tap on it to proceed. Here, you'll see a list of all the accounts you have blocked. Find the user you want to unblock and tap on the Unblock button next to their name. Confirm your action if prompted. And there you have it. You have successfully unblocked the user on TikTok. They will now be able to see your content, comment on your videos, and interact with you again. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to block and unblock someone on TikTok. Stay tuned for more helpful videos on navigating the exciting world of TikTok.